Hi friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Hansraj Marathe Sindabad. Now today's story is about Nature's Nest Resort, which is situated in Tambdi Surla Goa, and its proximity to Western Ghat is a very big advantage, and a very nice forest, dense forest. And for going to this Tambdi Surla, Uh, I actually reside at Akola in Vidarbha, and from there I went to Pune, which was about 500 kilometers, which took 10 hours. And from Pune I went to Bhigwan, which is 115 kilometers. I saw there flamingos, and from Bhigwan I went to Dandeli. There I stayed in an old magazine house, and which is 404 kilometers from Bhigwan, which took 10 to 11 hours. And from Dandeli I went to Ganesh Gudi, and from Ganesh Gudi I went to Kulgi Nature Park, which is 32 kilometers. And from Kulgi, I went to Uttaroda, Goa in a Royal Orchid Resort. And from Royal Orchid Resort on 23rd in the morning, I came to Nature's Nest Surla. And this is a very wonderful place. And now further we will see the entire stay, then room tour and the amphibians, and enjoy the video. Get ready to experience one of the most
This is Nature's
mesmerizing
Nest in
birding
Tambdi Surla Goa.
hotspot in the world, rich in endemics with the bird experts. Today, now I am approaching towards the gate of the Nature's Nest Tambdi Surla Goa, and Nature's Nest Resort is located next to Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary in the Western Ghats in Goa. Guided activities with trained guides and naturalists would enthrall you. Mud-lined AC cottages
This
would
is
offer you a
parking
cozy
area,
Goan village home experience, and Goan food.
now I am approaching towards a
So
reception.
now I am approaching towards the entrance, and now this road straightway goes to the reception center, and you can watch the green amphibians surrounding. There is a lot of greenery there. Now again we are approaching towards the reception center. There are so many coconut trees around us, betel nuts, and many medicinal plants are there. In the evening they give you a tour of these medicinal plants in their property. The guide narrates you the uses of the medicinal plants, herbs, trees, and gives you a lot of knowledge about the nature. Now I am proceeding towards the dining hall, which is open. You can enjoy the breakfast, lunch, dinner here. A nice Goan food. Now this is reception counter, and from here we have to move for
कार
the
सध्या तिथे
cottages
लावली आहे तर
allotted
तिथे
to
राहिली
us.
तर चालेल का आणू वरती आणू
So
कार पार्किंग
I will
इकडे वर
move
आणू
to the
नाही
cottages.
नाही ठेवतो मी तो काही प्रॉब्लेम.
Again the road is green, ambience is beautiful. Just enjoy the greenery, the coconut trees, the betel nut trees, and the noise of the birds chirping, calls, different calls of different birds, and there are lot of sunbirds, different varieties of sunbirds, Bamni kite. There are hornbills also, but which I could not sight there. Now these are the 4 cottages
करमल
named after
कुंजन
flowers.
पारिजात
Mine
are
is
the
Carmel.
resorts names.
Now these cottages are to be booked online. I have booked this cottage on 31st October 23, means before near about 3 months, and I have to pay 10,900 for 2 persons. So from my point of view it is a little bit higher side. So now I am entering in Carmel cottage. The cottages are nice with all amenities. You can see a double bed and one single bed.
मला ट्रायपॉड लागणार होता म्हणून बाहेर ठेवला होता मी.
हो का मी
एक मिनिट तू
See here a double bed.
तू एक काम कर तू
Then intercom,
रूमच्या बाहेर जा,
AC.
म्हणजे येणार नाही याच्यात.
This is attached toilet, lead bath with electric geyser.
वॉशरूम
You can get hot water for 24 hours. 2 towels, soaps, accommodation for 3.
अकोमोडेशन.
This is double bed, then again single bed. They provide you with
वॉटर, इलेक्ट्रिक केटली,
electric kettle, tea
coffee
pouches, milk pouch,
वॉटर,
then fresh water,
अ कबर्ड.
there is also a cupboard to keep your luggage and clothes. Now this is veranda, and in front of the veranda and around the cottages there are so many trees and so many birds. Just put a chair, sit there and watch them, watch their activity. These red beautiful flowers, and with that flowers so many sunbirds are roaming here and there. Now it's time for lunch. I had come to dining hall. There are all Goan cuisine. These are vegetables, dal. This is mushroom chili. This is sol kadhi, means milk of coconut. The food is very nice, tasty. Both the foods are served here, veg and non-veg. Just have as much as you want, buffet system. Then go to the tables, open surrounding, all over greenery around you, and enjoy your lunch with nature. Now after lunch, I again came back to my room, and in front of my room there were birds, and near dining hall there was a hide, and a water pot was kept. This is a butterfly. Then this is a red whiskered bulbul having her lunch also. Sunbird is also having his lunch. Now this is purple rumped sunbird. This is Bamni kite flying around. In the evening at 5 o'clock, the guide takes you to the nearby hill for sunset. Now we all are moving to watch a sunset. On the way, there is a white spotted eagle, which was a little bit far, but I shot with my P900. And now you can see the sunset scene, and we were sitting on a hill nearby. We all were enjoying the sunset. From there you can watch some of the birds. There was a pied hornbill pair far away. Due to opposite light, I couldn't shot, but see the sunset from this hill. A nice evening spent on a hill. They serve a tea here. Now this is next day morning. It was a little bit misty, but I found this hanging vernal parakeet. This is brown-headed barbet. Due to misty climate, couldn't have a clear view and clear photograph. But slowly the mist went away and I got good shots. So these are the green beaters sitting on a branch. Pleasant to watch their activities, movement in the morning. Now again this is a bunch of 5 to 6 green beaters. Here on the tree there were so many hanging vernal parakeets, then sunbirds. Then from this was near the gate of nature's nest. From there I moved with the guide on the road, and this is a very beautiful bird which is normally seen in Western Ghat only. You cannot see everywhere. At least we cannot see it in Vidarbha. Now this is a golden oriolo. In Marathi it is called subhak.
इकडे करूनच चल, लाईट व्यवस्थित आहे. अब क्लियर हो गया एकदम.
It's a yellow bird.
हो गया. टाइम का पता ही नहीं लगता इनके साथ.
One more variety is black-headed oriolo also, which was not there, but that is another variety of oriolo.
मान हवे ते.
Now another bird is also yellow, but he is flame-throated bulbul. You can see his throat. This is Watt's flycatcher. I have seen this bird first time. Now this is red whiskered bulbul. Now again vernal hanging parakeet, and this is Bamni kite. So this is my trip to nature's nest, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will get the further notifications and my new videos. So bye bye. Now time to say bye bye. Goodbye. Next video will be about Vengurla.